and welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about the best deals going on over at CVS for the week. So yesterday, Sunday, I shopped both Walgreens and CVS. So if you haven't had a chance to check out my Walgreens video, definitely stop by and check that out. But today I'm going to be talking with you about CVS. So I'll show you the deals that I did. I'll show you how I used the email that I got this week, which was $8 off a $40 purchase, as well as share some of the best grocery deals going on over at CVS. So first one grocery deal that I picked up was the popcorn, $1.99 for this bag of popcorn, which I thought was a decent price, especially when you compare it to grocery prices right now. A couple other, I don't know if I would call these grocery deals, but treats that you could do. I actually picked these up at Walgreens. So if you saw my Walgreens video, I did actually get them at Walgreens, but you could do them at CVS if you are a CVS shopper. The Dove Promises up by the register, $2.49. Check your Fetch Rewards app. See if you have the 100% cash back in points. You'll get $2.49 back. So freebie on the Dove. Awesome deal. Same thing with the crunchy M&Ms. So these you could pick up at CVS as well. $1.49. I think they were more expensive at Walgreens when I bought them. Either way, it's 100% cash back in points. So check your Fetch Rewards app and see if you have this freebie. If you're not using Fetch already, grab it with my referral code because you'll score an additional $2 when you scan your first receipt. Now, lots of laundry deals this week at CVS, but I want to tell you about a couple of makeup deals. First, the Maybelline. So the Maybelline is going to give you back a $5 extra care buck, but there's also rebates on Ibotta. So I picked up a face and a lip product. The foundation was actually marked incorrectly. So it said $7.99, which is what I was expecting to pay, but it rang up $8.49. I didn't even catch it until I was looking at my receipt later. Not a big deal. $8.49 for the foundation. The lipstick was $7.49. Now, I had a few CRTs. I had the $3 off a $15 Maybelline purchase, a $3 off Cosmetic CRT, as well as a $1 off a Maybelline item. So I paid $8.98 at the register. I got back a $5 extra care buck, as well as $2 back on Ibotta for one of the products and $1 back on Ibotta for the other, making it 98 cents for both of them, or just 49 cents a piece. Now, the Revlon, great deal on Revlon. Spend 20, get 6. So I was trying to get right at $20. So I picked up the Revlon Kiss, but the exfoliating one. That was a little bit more expensive at my store. It was $6.79 each. So I picked up 3 of those, which got my total to $20.37. Now, I had a 4 off 20 Revlon CRT, a buy 2, get 1 free that took off $6.79, and then a $3 CRT as well. So I paid $6.58 at the register. I got back $6 in extra care bucks, making it 58 cents for all 3 of them, or 19 cents each. And I actually really enjoy the Revlon Kiss products. Now, laundry deals. The All is buy 4, get $3 in extra care bucks. I picked up 2 of the liquids and 2 of the packs. Okay, there are printable coupons at coupons.com. I'll link them for you down below. These are $3.49 on sale, so $3.49 times 4. There's a $1.50 digital in the app. Then I printed 2 additional $1.50 coupons from coupons.com. You could print 3, but you would need 2 different computers to do that. And since I know a lot of people don't have 2 devices, I went ahead and just wrote this up as 2, which is actually what I did as well. So $1.50 digital, 2 $1.50 printable coupons. I paid $9.46. I got back the $3 in extra care bucks for spending $12. making it $6.46 for all 4 of them, or $1.61 each. I think if you had a 4th coupon, it would come out to like $1.20 something for all 4, but we're gonna get it even cheaper because I included that in my spend 40, get $8 off. So I'll show you how that works out here in just a second. Let's talk about the Gain and the Downy and the Febreze, because this was a cool deal. Where did I write it up? Here we go. So the Febreze, the Downy, and the Gain. Gain is $6.99. The Downy right here, this Downy that I bought, $6.99. The Febreze are buy one, get one half off. One is going to ring $10.79. One is going to ring $5.39. Now check your prices, because for some reason a different scent was a little bit more expensive, which seemed weird to me. So I picked up the one at $10.79. The second one rang $5.39. Now these are the coupons that I had. I had a $5 digital coupon for the Febreze, and then I had one of the $5 coupons from the Procter & Gamble insert. I had a $1 digital for the Gain, and then I had a $2 digital for the Downy. So I paid $17.16 for all 4 of those items, got $10 back, making it $7.16 for all 4. But, okay, I did this as part of the spend 40, get $8 off, because I had that coupon that came to my email. So I purchased these 4 products here, as well as the all detergents, okay? That got my total to $44.12 before any of the coupons. That $8 off a $40 purchase came off. Then all the coupons that I just told you about, the 5, the 2, the 1, the $1.50 coupons, okay? I was left to pay $18.62. I got back the $10 for this laundry deal here, as well as $3 for this laundry deal here, leaving me to pay $5.62 total for all of those products, or just 70 cents per item. So awesome deal on those. A couple other deals you want to be aware of. The community coffee is $5.99 at Walgreens, and it's $5.99 at CVS. And there is a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making that coffee just $3.99. Sadly, that's only on the bagged coffee. I use K-Cup, so I couldn't buy that. And then the Prego, the pasta sauce, is 2 for $4, which seemed like a decent price as well. Those are really only the grocery items that kind of stood out to me. There's a number of like buy one, get one free on the bars and the cereal. That just didn't excite me so much with the price, the normal price in store. So that's what I got at CVS for the week. Now, y'all know if you've been watching, I don't pay any money out of pocket at CVS, ever. I use my Fetch Rewards app to cash out to CVS gift cards, and then I pay with that CVS gift card. Now, I do use, I check out like with a person. I don't check out at self-checkout, because those, the like scan bar won't work at self-checkout, so that does require me to check out with a human being, a cashier at CVS. But you can also use your extra care bucks to pay, and it's not weird and crazy like Walgreens. You can use your extra care bucks however you want, and it's not going to screw things up. CarePass as well. I use that. I get $10 every month for having my CarePass, and it only costs $5 a month, so I'm making $5 every month at CVS using that. So if you're not using CarePass yet, or you haven't tried it out, I do have a link down below where you can try it out, and there's a promo code that will save you some additional money. Now, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you pictures of items that I found on clearance. Lots of like school and teacher items, 90% off. So I'll include pictures of the things that I saw at my store. Nothing really excited me. I picked up some paper, like just regular paper to donate to my kids' school. But other than that, it was more like cutesy stuff that I didn't need. So check it out, and hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.